We're moving on to round 5 now for the Taylyn Beanie. This is rounds 1 through 4 completed, and this is what you should have now. And then round 5, all you're doing is increasing in the first stitch and the last stitch, and so I'll show you the first stitch now. So all you're doing is the same thing that you've done in a couple of the other rounds. You're placing your first half double in the stitch with the chain, and then you're also going to, you see the half double crochet stitch in the previous round, you're also going to put a front post there. So you've increased one stitch there, and now you're just going to be working the pattern that you'll continue working for the rest of the pattern after you're done with this round, where you place half double crochets in the top of the front posts from the previous round, and then you place the front posts in the half double crochets from the previous round, and you're going to work that all around, and then that's the pattern you will also work for rounds 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So once you get to this point, it's a lot easier, and you can see that's how then your pattern should look, always alternating. Now I'm going to pause and then I'll show you the increase at the end of this round. Alrighty, so I've completed round 5 except for the increase at the end of the round. It'll start curling outwards a little bit, but once you start, when you're not increasing anymore, that will help with that. So this is what it looks like. You can see that lovely spiral pattern. And so I'm going to move my yarn out of the way and focus here. So here is, I've finished. This is the space in the back where your front post is in the front. Now you have an extra one here, and this is where you're going to put, so you're going to put the last half double crochet in that stitch, and then you're going to find your chain from the previous round, which is here. For me, it's between the front post half triples here from the this round and the previous round. And what you're going to do is just place your last front post right there, and then that'll increase you one more stitch, so you're up to 42 stitches now. So that's what that looks like. And now you're set up to go on round 6. Your crown circle should measure, if you lay it flat, it should measure between 7.5 and 7.75 inches across, and that way you'll know you're on the right track for fit. And then for round 6, you're going to be starting with chain 2, since you're going to start with a front post half triple, and you'll be placing that one in the first stitch, and then in the next stitch with the front post half triple, you'll be placing a half double, and so you'll be alternating that stitch pattern all the way around for round 6, and you should be completely set up to work your spiral pattern now. There you have it. Thank you for watching.